I'm Sophia Landy, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about my business, which is Sophia Landy Equestrian. So basically I run a horse training and riding lesson based business. I'm located in Mansfield, Victoria. So I guess the main part is training horses, and this really covers a wide range of horses. So it'll be anything from breaking horses in, retraining off the track horses, dealing with problem horses, as well as performance horses and competing and campaigning horses for people. So I guess to be able to do this, you've got to be good at dealing with a wide range of horses. Myself as a rider, I ride to 4-star level eventing on a thoroughbred I have, and on an Irish sport horse I have, and I also have show jumped to Grand Prix, so I've had a lot of experience riding, and this has also really helped me to get clients' horses. So when you're out there and competing and getting good results, people see you and they certainly are more likely to send their horses to you if they like what they see. So then I really, at the other end of the spectrum, I have all sorts of horses that really are here for the very beginning of their education, just like breakers, and horses like Chappie here, who's off the track and being retrained. So that's the major part of my business that keeps me busy, from day to day, working clients' horses and doing training for them. And some of them will be short-term programs, they might just be here for 2 weeks for a bit of training. The breakers stay for 6 weeks, and then ones like Chappie, who I'm really campaigning for his owners, he's here on a long-term ongoing program, which is the ideal situation really. Then I can produce him and compete him as I like. So the other part of my business is doing lessons. So people come here, they can have lessons either on, I've got a school horse, or on their own horses. It's certainly easier if they bring their own horses. It means they can ride a bit, they know the basics, and it's less of a insurance risk, I guess, if they're already a bit horsey. But I do lessons on my school horse as well. So that's the main, I guess, what I do. To be able to do it all, I guess you certainly need to have a bit of a team behind you. I've usually got 2 girls working for me behind the scenes, making everything possible. Just thinking about things like having someone to stay at home while we go away to competitions, and someone to come and help. There's a lot of organising and coordination, and obviously you've also got your team of other industry professionals to help and make everything work. So farriers and vets, chiropractors, saddle fitters, everything like that. So my partner Andrew Hill is actually a farrier, and he works at a lot of racehorse studs and racing stables, as well as doing performance horses. So that's another, I guess, sector of the industry, and he crosses over a lot more into all the different disciplines than I do, being primarily show jumping and eventing based. So he certainly gets to deal with all types of jobs within the industry and people working within it. There's certainly a lot on offer. I guess you've got to love the horses and love the job, and obviously it's hard work, long days, but if you love it, it's going to all be worthwhile.